Measure around the fullest part of your bust, keeping the tape measure parallel to the ground without letting it compress your chest. Number 2. Under bust. To measure, circle the tape measure directly under your bust, keeping it parallel to the ground. Take the measurement when your arms are down and steady. Number 3. Top bust to under bust. Measure from top of your bust to your under bust, centering the breast. Specify your bra size. Specify whether you use padded or non-padded bras. Number 4. Waist. As a reference point for taking the measurement of the waist area, tie a thin string all around the smallest part of your waist, and do not untie it until the measurement is taken. Now take the measurement without sucking in your stomach or pushing it out. Number 5. Hip. Measure around the fullest part of your hips. Number 6. From waist to floor. Stand up straight and measure the distance from the reference string in your waist to the ground. Number 7. Shoulder to floor. Stand up straight and measure the distance from your shoulder tip all the way to the ground. Number 8. Shoulder to nipple. Measure the distance from your mid-shoulder point to your nipples. Number 9. From shoulder to waist. Measure, starting from your mid-shoulder, till the reference string in your waist, crossing across the nipple on the way. Number 10. Shoulder to shoulder back. Stand up straight and measure the middle points between your shoulder tip and where your arm starts, across the back of your body. Number 11. Shoulder to shoulder front. Stand up straight and to shoulder front. Stand up straight and measure the middle points between your shoulder tip and where your arm starts, across the front of your body. Number 12. From neck to shoulder. Measure from your neck to your shoulder tip. Number 13. Arm length. For long sleeves, measure from the tip of the shoulder to your wrists while your arm is relaxed.